Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So the Discover tab in Perplexity AI is where you find trending topics, curated content, and new ideas to explore. It's designed to help you discover information you wouldn't have thought to search for, a bit like any personalized newsfeed for curious minds. Let's say, for example, the real suggestions on IG, Facebook, or the videos that you would see randomly on YouTube. But what happens when you click that Discover tab and all you see is a spinning loader or even a blank page? Sometimes a near message. Suddenly that source of inspiration is completely cut off. So the good news is that Discover tab loading issues are almost always fixable with the same basic troubleshooting steps that work for other Perplexity's features. According to Perplexity's official documentation, the most common causes are network, so I would say it's a bad network, corrupted cache, cookies, VPN, or any proxy conflict. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through all of this, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Before troubleshooting your own setup, check Perplexity's server status first. Through status.perplexity.com, make sure everything is working perfectly, then you can easily hard refresh your browser. This is the fastest potential fix. Try to clear the browser cache and cookies as well. If you are using any VPNs, any third-party tools, disable them for now and retry. And that's the whole idea, so thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.